Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing fraction and decimal chapter. So today our topic is division of decimal numbers. In last session, what we did, we divide the numbers with 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. So there what we did, we just shift the decimals according to the zeros. But today we will divide the decimal number with whole number, or whole number with decimal number, or both the numbers can be in decimal. Okay, so all these three types we will discuss one by one. So first I am taking here that quotient is in decimal but divisor is in whole. So how we will do? So 3.96 divided by 4. In first step we will remove the decimal. So decimal is after how many places? 2 places. So in denominator how many zeros will be there? 2 zeros. So 396 divided with 100. Okay, so divided with 4 as it is. 4. Now here nothing is there, we can write 1. 1 is a whole number. Okay, so now this sum will become division of fractions. Now both the numbers are converted in fraction. So simply you know how to do it. So in next step we will reciprocate this number. We will take its reciprocal. What will be the reciprocal of 4 by 1? It will be 1 by 4. And this division sign will be converted into multiplication sign. Okay, this you know. So next, now we will cancel on common tables. Don't cancel this number, because in the end we will put decimal according to according to these zeros. Okay, so 4 can be cancelled on this number. If you see, 4 9s are 36, 3 6 again, 4 9s are 36. It means 99 4s are 396. Or you can do it in rough work. You can see on which number it is being cancelled. Okay, so now no common table. So what is left? 99 ones are 99, 100 ones are 100. So 99 over 100 is left. So now put decimal. How many zeros are there? 2. So decimal will be after 2 places. 1, 2. So decimal will be before 99. So answer is 0.99. So clear to all? This is just simple as you have done division of fraction. The difference is only here, that how to convert decimal into fraction. Okay, now we will discuss next type. This one. This is also same. Whole number is divided, decimal number is divided with whole number. So first we will remove the decimal, then convert it into multiplication by reciprocating the divisor, then cancel, then we will convert it into decimal. Okay. Now next type is when whole number is divided with decimal number. Okay, now we will convert this side into fraction. Now 7 as it is, 3.5. So only one place is there after decimal, so 1 0 1. So 35 by 10. Okay, now this sum is of fraction. So 7 by 1 as it is. This division sign will be converted into multiplication, and because this sign we are converting, so this will be reciprocated. So 10 over 35. So now we will cancel like simple fraction. 7 5s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So what is left? 1, then 2 by 1 means 2. 2 1s are 2. This is the answer. Okay, very simple. Now third type, when both the numbers in decimal. Okay, so we will convert both the numbers in fraction. So 7 decimal 75 75 means 775 over 100, because decimal is after 2 digit. Here also decimal is after 2 digit, so 25 over 100. So next step, this sign will be changed into multiplication. So this number, this divisor will be reciprocated. This will be written as it is, multiply. This divisor will be reciprocated. It will become 100 over 25. So now we will cancel. So 100 ones are 100. First you can cancel it on 5's table. 5 5s are 25. This is 155. Again this 5 will be cancelled. 5 1s are 5, and this is 31 5s. This you can cancel yourself, okay, by any other table if you see. So what is left now? There is no common table. So 31 into 1 is left. So answer is 31 ones are 31. So I hope it is clear to all these three types. Thank you, students.